Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes B-Class 2017. This is the W246 chassis, and I'm going to be replacing the little USB device that is sitting under here. So if you press that and you open that, you have those two USB ports in there, and I'm going to be changing that little module there. The reason being is that there was a bottle of Coca-Cola here, and it sort of exploded with the heat last week, and it contaminated everything with fluid, with liquid Coca-Cola, and the ports stopped working. So I had a look to see if there's a related fuse to those, and I couldn't find a fuse as such. So I did a little bit of research, and it appears that this module here, it's directly connected to the radio, and that's how you can, obviously, because I also use or have Apple CarPlay installed, and that is also stopped working. So we're going to replace that little module, and to do that we're going to have to take this panel here, but before I say that, that module costs around £61 plus VAT from Mercedes. So it's not the most expensive one, but if you do spill water or something, it could get damaged. So hopefully this is going to fix my problem, obviously, because at the moment I have tried all different cables, and my phones are not working or charging. But the cables were working, the module just stopped working after the spillage of the drink. So we're gonna have to take this cover out, and this cover sort of pulls out. Basically you need to unplug it like this. It's just plugged in, and you're then gonna have two Torx screws, one on each side there. If we take those out, I already removed one of them just to make things a little bit faster and easier. We'll take that out. So that's this is like a T20 Torx. You can then lift this module up. It comes up like that, but it's plugged in down here. And what you want to do is really, you need to unplug it from there. So with a screwdriver, with a flathead screwdriver, if you push that little pin there, if you push it and pull that connection down, it will disconnect. So let me try. I don't think I can do this with one hand, or maybe I can, I don't know. So basically push the clip and take that connection out. I think that is disconnecting. There we are. And it's sort of the same thing with the one on the side. There is a little clip there. That's the clip there. You push that in, and then with another flathead screwdriver you can push this out. Like so, and then you can take that out. Now my module is missing a little piece down here because I was trying to clean it and see if that would work, but you don't need that. You don't need to worry about that piece. It doesn't interfere. What we need to do next to get this module out is you have to press on the clips on the side here. There are some metal clips, you can just about see this one. So you need to press that in, put your screwdriver in there perhaps, and then push the module out, and then do the same on the other side. Push your screwdriver in there. So I'm using a flat head screwdriver, really small one, so I can get in there. and push that clip so you can see. Right. Now we can get the module out, and that's the module, and that's the part number there, A1728202100. So if you find that your phone is not charging anymore, or your media is not connecting, you may have a faulty unit like this. So I'm waiting for the new one from Mercedes, and what I'm going to do is we can just go ahead and reconnect everything, because when you connect this back, all you have to do is plug it back in into here, and obviously just connect it there. But just before I do that, I'm gonna try and clean a little bit of the, you might be able to see there, but that is the Coca-Cola that spilled around. So I'm gonna try and clean that a little bit. Got the new part, that's the new part there, A1728202200. So just a matter of plugging it in and seeing if it works. Right, then that's going to slide in there and lock into position like so, and then we can test our phones. See if they are actually charging or working. Right, my phone is actually charging, so that is working now, and now I'm gonna have to plug it and see if the actual media, if the Apple CarPlay comes up. So let's turn. It's quite a tight fit, this brand new socket. Okay, that sounded like it's charging, and now it's saying new Apple CarPlay device has been connected. So it is recognizing it now, it is working. So my previous box got damaged definitely by the fluid, so it is working. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. Otherwise, I will see you all in the next video, and thank you for watching.